We're going to take a look at a question from section 6.3, adding and subtracting rational expressions. One of the questions that was posed was number 33 on page 412. And the question reads that you have a radical expression of 6x minus 5 all over 3xy minus the radical expression of 3x minus 5 all over 3xy. The directions for this particular problem say perform the operations, simplify answers if possible, assume that no denominators are 0. And the reason why that's stipulated in the problem is if the denominator was equal to 0, then there would be no point in simplifying this problem because that's not a valid rational number. You can't have something divided by 0. So what we're going to go ahead and note here is that the denominators are common. So I don't have to do any legwork there. What I can do is I can go straight to the shorthand. So I can go ahead and write everything all over that denominator, again because the two terms have the same denominator. So what I have here is I will have 6x minus 5 minus, and I'm putting the 3x minus 5 in parentheses because I want to note that I'm subtracting both of those terms. If you only attach the minus to the 3x, you're only going to be subtracting the 3x out of the expression. So therefore, we want to make sure that we distribute that negative to each term inside. So that being said, we have 6x minus 5 minus 3x plus 5x all over 3xy. And now we can actually go ahead and start cleaning up. I don't have any parentheses that are kind of blocking my way to combining like terms. I was able to take care of that when I distributed the negative. So my final solution here is going to be 3x all over 3xy. Because if you notice, you have a negative 5 here and a positive 5 here. So they will cancel each other out because they are additive inverses of one another. So finally, what you can note is I have a 3 in the numerator and a 3 in the denominator, so I can cancel those out or reduce them out. And the same thing with the x's. I have an x in the numerator and the denominator, so I can reduce those out. So my final solution then will be 1, and again, I have a 1 there because I've reduced the top part, or the numerator, out completely. And all I have left is a y in the denominator. So this is my final answer. I've cleaned it up as far as I can go, and there you are.